I've made over $1 million selling this product on Amazon, even though I have a full-time job and I'm a husband and a father of 2 children. I'm going to share with you what my product is, how I did it, all my startup costs, revenue, profits, and the 3 biggest mistakes, including one mistake that cost me over $1 million. I sell this product on Amazon called Sear Pro. To give you guys a baseline of who I am as a person, a troubled kid growing up, barely graduated high school. Fast forward 20 years later, I'm now a first responder helicopter pilot that flies for the hospitals. And the reason that I invented my product was there was nothing on the market like it. They had big torches and small torches for searing sous vide steaks, but no one had a big small. So I went to Home Depot, I spent $25 on parts, started selling them on eBay for $50 each, started making money immediately. And then as I was selling down the road, I was receiving emails from customers asking me, is there one with an igniter? Is there one with a handle? After about the second or third message, I realized we could start selling this product on Amazon. And the reason why is because they have over 100 million customer base. Once I realized I wanted to sell it on Amazon, I knew that I needed more knowledge, and the best place to go was YouTube. Obviously, there's online courses. I did my due diligence. I looked into multiple courses, and that's one of the reasons I took Travis's course, because I knew, based on all the videos I had saw, that his course was legitimate.
And if you're new to the channel, my name is Travis, and I'm going to show you how Brent took advantage of a $6 trillion trend that is growing every year. So smash the like button, because you can use this trend to make massive amounts of money online right now. And every year, more and more people are buying things online. But most people fail with e-commerce because they're doing it wrong. They're selling products in the wrong place. If you want to make money online, the best place to do that is Amazon.com, because 50% of all e-commerce sales happen on Amazon.com. And last year, there was over $500 billion spent on their website. And the way you can make money from this is, 1, you come up with an idea of a product that you want to sell. 2, you find a manufacturer that can make your product, and you can use sites like Alibaba.com to easily find manufacturers overseas who can make your products for cheap. You then buy your products in bulk at a discounted price. Send those products into the Amazon FBA warehouse in the United States and sell that product on Amazon for a marked up price. And Amazon will store your products in their warehouse. And when you get a sale, Amazon will pick, pack, and ship out the product to your customer for you. And since Amazon already has 300 million Prime customers coming to their website looking to buy products, and Amazon's gonna be doing the shipping for you, you just created a machine that's gonna print you money as you get more sales on Amazon. And the best part is you can remove yourself from the business, because Amazon is constantly sending more customers to your listing and handling all the fulfillment of your business. So Brent, once you had the idea, what was the next step?
I then found some manufacturers like he recommended on Alibaba. I contacted 5 manufacturers, sent the letter to them. I found out the perfect fit for me. So our first production run was around $14,000. We also paid $2,700 for our shipping costs, but we were able to pay for all of this because we raised $15,000 on Kickstarter.
And a Kickstarter is where you show people an idea for a product that you want to create. People then pre-purchase your product before you spend any money on your business. And if you hit the certain amount of money that you need to start your business, you'll take that money and you'll go start your business. You'll spend it on a production run or whatever you need to get your business off the ground. And the truth is, there are multiple ways to start an Amazon FBA business. What I'm talking about right here is what I call creating a passion product. But you can also do things like retail arbitrage, wholesale, or private label. And the biggest reason that I recommend creating a passion product versus all these other methods is, 1, you can start with $0 because you can do a Kickstarter, and 2, you can make a lot more money with a passion product business than you can with any other way of selling on Amazon. Because with this method, you actually own the brand and you own the product that you're going to sell. With retail arbitrage, you go to sites like Walmart.com, find products that are being sold at a discount, buy those products, and then flip them on Amazon. And wholesale is where you go to sites like Tundra.com, where you can buy products with a wholesale discount and then flip those same products on Amazon. But the problem with both these methods is you're selling products that you don't own. You're basically helping someone else to grow their business. What you should do instead is create your own product with your own brand so you can grow your own business, and one day you could even sell it. So Brent, what happened after your Kickstarter?
So we finally launched on Amazon. We made $16,000 our first month, ran out of inventory and only sold 16 on our second month, got it back in stock and sold 44,000 on our third month, 66,000 on our fourth month, and it just kept scaling from there.
So within 4 months of launching, Brent had made over $100,000 with his first Amazon FBA product ever. but he did make 3 mistakes that ended up costing him close to $1 million. Brent, what was your first mistake?
About 6 months in, we had 2 attacks on our site on Amazon from outside sources, and that cost us around $50,000 to $70,000. So my first year selling on Amazon, I sold almost $750,000, and I'll break that down for you guys. About $160,000 was for the cost of the product itself. Amazon has a selling fee, several of them. One of them was about $70,000.
And this is the Amazon FBA pick and pack fee. It's a fee that you have to pay to Amazon every time you get an order, so that Amazon will pick, pack, and ship out your product to the customer. And I know it sounds like a lot of money to spend on this fee, but keep in mind that includes the shipping and handling, and it actually doesn't cost that much more money than if you were to ship the product out to your customer yourself.
They also have a 15% FBA fee. We paid $55,000 for that one. PPC, which is our ad spend, we spent $50,000 on our ad spend, and other fees like our insurance, our logistics, shipping it inside, our quality control, inspecting of the product. That costs about $150,000. Most importantly, our profit for that 1 year on Amazon was almost $250,000 in profit for me and my family. In addition, we also had other sites, which one of them sold $113,000. That was our own personal website. And the other ones are like eBay and Etsy and e-commerce sites, and that sold almost $70,000 in sales. We would have made even more money if it wasn't for our second mistake, which was running out of inventory during Christmas. During Christmas, you will sell triple the amount of volume. So how I fixed that was I used more of the proceeds of the money that I made and leveraged more of my house. And fast forward, we've never ran out of inventory ever again, and now we're sustainable. And in our second year selling on Amazon, we did over $1 million in sales. To break that one down for you guys, this year we spent $300,000 in our product costs. Our Amazon selling fee was now almost $90,000. The FBA fee is about $220,000. And then our PPC, our ads, was almost $80,000. But getting to the profit, $300,000 our second year in profit for my family and I.
On top of that, Brent made an additional $57,000 selling his product on his own website and another $34,000 selling his product on other platforms such as Etsy and things like that. And in just 30 seconds, Brent is going to share the biggest mistake he made with starting his Amazon business. It's a mistake that cost him close to $1 million, so pay attention. But I want to be clear that Brent did almost $2 million in sales in his first 2 years selling on Amazon. And this is why I recommend selling a passion product. Because not only can you make a lot of money selling on Amazon, but when you're selling your own unique product, you can also sell it on your own website and on other platforms. And if you want to, you can even go into retail stores and wholesale your product to retail stores. This is the biggest opportunity I know of to make money online. So Brent, what was the biggest mistake you made with starting your Amazon FBA business?
One of the biggest mistakes I honestly feel like I made was I didn't launch my product soon enough because the money that comes in was incredible. I make about $20,000 to $30,000 a month. And yes, a lot of people that are watching this, you can do this on your own and you can fine tune your product and get your website up in 2 years by yourself. But why would you want to do that when you could take a course and get it done in 6 months? The product sat out in my garage for 2 years. And had I taken the course and not delayed, each month that I sell my product, I make about $20,000 to $30,000 a month. Imagine 2 years lost, not with those sales. So I would tell most people, if you think the course is some kind of scam, it never was. It's like anything else, like college. When you go there, you learn. When you go to take these online courses, they will teach you. Instead of learning something in 2 years, instead of delaying, you can learn it immediately. Within 3 to 4 months, you can get your product going quicker. You can get the profit and revenue. And overall, what I would tell people, this money and this course and being an entrepreneur has financially changed our lives forever. And my family's thankful for it.
If you want to join the same program that Brent joined, I'll put a link right here where you can get on the wait list for the next time that I open up this program. So if you're serious about starting your own Amazon FBA business, click on this link right here and I will see you in the Amazon FBA program.